Have you ever wondered how to detoxify your body while being at work or home? It's a question many of us grapple with. You see, detoxification is vital. It's about purging harmful elements, rejuvenating our system, and embracing a healthier lifestyle. And the best part, it's easier than you might think. Whether you're at your desk or lounging in your living room, these methods can be incorporated seamlessly into your daily routine. Stay tuned as we reveal the 10 healthy ways to detoxify your body. Detoxification doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Here are 10 simple ways you can do it. First up is the age-old advice of drinking more water. Water is not just about quenching thirst, it's the vehicle that transports nutrients to your cells, keeps your body temperature stable, and aids in flushing out toxins. If you're not a fan of plain water, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Next, focus on eating a balanced diet. This means incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are rich in antioxidants that aid in detoxification and boost your overall health. Thirdly, limit your alcohol intake. While moderate alcohol consumption can have some health benefits, excessive drinking can damage your liver's ability to detoxify. Fourth on our list is sleep. Adequate sleep allows your brain to reorganize, recharge, and eliminate toxins that accumulate throughout the day. So make sure to catch enough Z's. Fifth, reduce your intake of sugar and processed foods. These foods are not only devoid of nutrients, but are also loaded with additives and preservatives that can build up in your body over time. Sixth, engage in regular physical activity. Exercise aids in detoxification by boosting circulation and promoting sweat, which helps release toxins. Seventh is to consume more antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in your body, aiding in detoxification. Eighth, try to avoid exposure to pollutants and toxins in your environment. This can be as simple as using natural cleaning products or avoiding secondhand smoke. Ninth, include more probiotics in your diet. Probiotics aid in maintaining a healthy gut, which plays a crucial role in detoxification. And finally, 10th, practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing helps to eliminate carbon dioxide, a natural waste product of your body's metabolism. These methods are not only effective, but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So there you have it, 10 ways you can detoxify your body. From sipping on green tea to practicing mindfulness, each method plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins. Remember, hydration and proper diet are key, as is getting enough sleep. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can also aid in detoxification. These methods not only cleanse your body, but also contribute to overall health and wellness. Remember, a healthy body is the first step to a healthy mind. Start your detox journey today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Healthy food, healthy mind.